Good morning, Carter.
Good morning, Mommy.
How are you doing?
Good.
What is today?
School day.
Your first day of school? Are you excited?
Yeah.
It's almost time to leave. Can you turn around so I can see your backpack? Whoa, is that heavy?
Yeah.
What does that sticker say?
Harder.
That's right.
Harder, Bromley. Just harder. Carter. Thomas Bromley.
Oh. Well, I'm going to turn the camera off, but we'll turn it back on when we get to your school, okay?
Okay.
Love you.
Bye.
How was your day at school? Great. What was your favorite part? So do you want to go back tomorrow? What was your, did you make some friends?
A whole bunch.
A whole bunch? And who was your favorite friend? Jack. First, will you tell me about school?
Well, school's like work.
Really?
It's like Daddy's work.
Oh, yeah? How so?
Well, a lot like his work. So I had to keep on making notes and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Keep on making bills for people.
What did you have for lunch?
Well, my lunch break. Well, let me tell you what time is that. Let me tell you what time was lunchtime.
Okay.
Lunchtime was at 37.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And at 6 to 7, it was nap time. And at 37, picture time.
Picture time.
Yeah.
They took your picture? Wow.
And third, then third was math. Second was stories. And that's it.
And then it was time for me to pick you up. So,
One